Taking care of dogs involves more than just affection. There are common mistakes that, even unintentionally, many dog caregivers make, and these can affect the health and happiness of your dogs. Let's explore the 10 most common mistakes and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake 1. Lack of proper socialization. Socialization is a critical stage in a dog's development. During the first weeks of life, it's essential for them to be exposed to different people, animals, and environments. For example, a puppy that isn't socialized may grow up fearful of common situations, such as walks in the park or encounters with other dogs. This fear can turn into anxiety or even aggressive behavior. The most critical period for dog socialization occurs between 3 and 14 weeks of age, but the process should continue throughout the dog's life. Start socializing your dog early, introducing them to new experiences in a positive and controlled way. If you adopted an older dog, know that socialization is still possible but may require more time and patience. Continuous socialization is essential to ensure your dog adapts well to different situations, preventing problematic behaviors that may arise from a lack of exposure to new experiences. Speaking of exposure, the next mistake is directly related to the lack of physical activity. Let's talk about that. Mistake 2. Lack of physical exercise. Dogs need regular exercise to maintain their physical and mental health. The lack of activity can lead to obesity, boredom, and even serious health issues, such as heart disease. An active breed dog, like a border collie for example, confined to a small space without enough activity, will likely develop destructive behaviors, such as chewing furniture or excessive barking. Each breed has its specific exercise needs. Research your dog's breed and incorporate walks, play, and mental activities into their routine. Even smaller or older dogs need exercise, though at a lower intensity. Exercise not only helps control your dog's weight, but also provides mental stimulation that prevents boredom and anxiety. A tired and stimulated dog is a happy and well-behaved dog. And now that we've talked about physical activity, let's address an equally important topic: nutrition. Mistake 3. Inadequate nutrition. Providing the right nutrition for your dog is essential for their health and well-being. Feeding them human food, depending on the food, can be harmful and even toxic. Foods like chocolate, onions, and grapes are dangerous for dogs and can cause anything from digestive problems to more serious complications. Moreover, ignoring recommended portions can lead to obesity or malnutrition, issues that can be as serious as poisoning. Consult a veterinarian to determine the ideal diet for your dog, considering age, weight, breed, and activity level. A balanced diet should include the right amount of proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Maintaining a regular feeding routine and avoiding uncontrolled treat feeding is also important. And speaking of health, the next area we'll cover can be easily neglected but is essential: dental hygiene. Mistake 4. Neglecting dental hygiene. Many dog owners underestimate the importance of their dog's dental hygiene, which can lead to serious diseases such as gingivitis, tooth loss, and infections that can spread to other organs. Regularly brushing your dog's teeth with appropriate products and offering toys that help reduce tartar are essential practices. Oral health directly impacts your dog's quality of life. Additionally, regular veterinary visits for dental checkups are crucial to prevent more significant problems in the future. Maintaining your dog's dental health not only prevents oral diseases, but also improves the overall well-being of the animal, avoiding unnecessary pain and discomfort. And speaking of care, let's now address a mistake that can compromise the relationship between you and your dog: the use of physical punishment. Mistake 5. Physical or aggressive punishment. Physical or aggressive punishment is one of the most harmful mistakes a caregiver can make. This type of approach not only fails to teach the desired behavior, but can also cause fear, anxiety, and even aggressive behavior in the dog. For example, punishing a dog for barking can make them associate your presence with something negative, leading to fear or aggression. Instead of punishing, use training methods based on positive reinforcement, which reward desired behaviors. For example, rewarding your dog if they don't jump on a visitor instead of punishing them if they do. These methods are more effective and promote a healthy and trusting relationship between you and your dog. Positive reinforcement not only teaches the dog what is expected of them, but also builds a bond of mutual trust and respect. Avoiding physical punishment is crucial to creating a safe and loving environment for your furry friend. Now, let's explore another vital aspect that is often neglected: mental stimulation. Mistake 6. Lack of mental stimulation. Dogs are intelligent animals that need mental stimulation to stay happy and balanced. The lack of activities that challenge your dog's intellect can result in boredom and destructive behaviors, such as chewing furniture or excessive barking. Imagine a high-energy dog, like a German Shepherd, without daily mental challenges. They can quickly become bored and start displaying unwanted behaviors. To avoid this mistake, include interactive toys, fetch games, and command training in your dog's daily routine. Mental stimulation is as important as physical exercise for your dog's well-being. Additionally, regularly changing the types of mental challenges can help keep your dog engaged and prevent them from developing unwanted behaviors due to boredom. A mentally stimulated dog is happier, calmer, and much easier to live with. But even with all these care tips, it's crucial to be attentive to signs that something might be wrong with your dog's health. Which brings us to the next mistake. Mistake 7. Ignoring signs of illness. Dogs cannot tell us when something is wrong, so it's vital to pay attention to subtle signs of illness. Symptoms like lethargy, loss of appetite, vomiting, diarrhea, or behavioral changes can indicate health problems that require immediate veterinary attention. For example, lethargy in a normally active dog can be a sign of serious issues, such as an infection or pain. Knowing your dog's normal behavior is crucial for quickly identifying any abnormalities. If you notice something unusual, don't wait to see if it improves on its own. Seek a veterinarian as soon as possible. Early detection of illness is essential for effective treatment and can make the difference between a quick recovery and serious complications. Don't underestimate the importance of acting quickly when you notice any sign that your dog isn't well. And while we're on the topic of prevention and care, the next step to ensuring your dog is well-behaved and safe is basic training. Mistake 8. Lack of basic training. Basic training is essential to ensure your dog is well-behaved and safe. Many owners underestimate its importance or give up too soon. Investing time in teaching basic commands, such as sit and stay, is crucial for your dog's safety and well-being. A well-trained dog is happier and safer, both at home and in public. Additionally, basic training also helps prevent dangerous situations, such as when a dog needs to obey commands in critical moments, like crossing a street or encountering other animals. Training your dog from an early age and continuing to reinforce these teachings throughout their life contributes to a more harmonious and safe coexistence for everyone. If you're enjoying the video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up to the video. This not only helps me a lot, but it also ensures you'll know when I post a new video. Mistake 9. Lack of planning for trips and vacations. Many caregivers don't think ahead about how their dogs will be cared for during trips or vacations, which can cause separation anxiety and other issues. Leaving your dog with unprepared people or in an unfamiliar environment can be traumatic. Plan ahead. Consider dog hotels or professional caregivers, or take your dog with you if possible. Good planning ensures that your dog is safe and happy, even in your absence. Additionally, make sure the chosen caregiver or hotel understands your dog's specific needs, such as diet, medication, and exercise, to ensure they receive the best care possible while you're away. And now, one of the most important mistakes. Mistake 10. Ignoring the importance of regular veterinary checkups. Regular checkups are essential for early detection of health problems. Prevention is always better than treatment. Schedule annual veterinary appointments and keep vaccinations and preventive treatments up to date. A regular checkup can make a big difference in your dog's quality of life. Besides detecting health issues, these visits allow you to discuss any concerns you have about your dog's behavior or diet. Maintaining good communication with your veterinarian and following their recommendations is crucial to ensuring your dog lives a long and healthy life. Now, answer me a question. Do you pet dogs on the head? Did you know this could harm your relationship with them? In the video that's on the screen, I talk about this. The problems with head petting in dogs. Click on the screen and continue with me in the amazing world of dogs.